Post, I choose you. My integrated marketing communication advertising program for Post University is centered around the online program and a specific student age group. For the advertising objectives, I decided to target students ages 35 years of age and older. As you can see from the graphic, Post University has ages from under 18 to over 35 years of age. However, the light colored purple lavender color in the graphic depicts 35 and older. And as you can see, that's a large area compared to the total age group for the students attending at Post. Also, our positioning strategy. I decided to use the positioning by user group. This strategy is being used so we can focus on the specific age group 35 and older. As you can see in the marketing mix graphic, the middle piece is the target age 35 years. Then we need to know what the tuition is for them. This is also focused on online learning. One of the perks that I've found out about Post University is the Honors College, as well as various degrees available online. Next, we'll talk about the advertising budget. We're going to use the objectives and task method for our budgeting needs. What are the specific objectives? Our specific objectives are to increase student registration. We can compare how many registered last year versus this year, which is similar to sales. We will also target students ages 35 and older. That age group seems to be a little more stable and more interested in online studying. And we will also push the online presence versus in-person studying. Also, the tasks that are needed to obtain the objectives are: we need to create an ad campaign for employed adults. We need to ensure that the campaign includes commercials. We need to show the efficiency of online students versus in-person study by utilizing numbers from the pandemic and the current online students. After the objectives and tasks are finalized, we can get an estimate of all expenditures compared to the previous year's numbers, and then go back and reevaluate our objectives to ensure that we're spot on with our target. For our advertising strategy, I would like to start with our brand promise. Post makes it personal, and that's a part of the Post's school thing. And it ties, and then we'll go back and tie the age and the importance of online learning together. So our advertising message could be Post University, why we choose you, focusing on current students and or students that have already graduated, including students in the Honors College. As part of the advertising strategy, we can use print media. We can run ads in the target market area newspapers with actual student photos. Radio media, run commercial ads in target media markets using current student voices. Social media, utilize Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn to run infomercials for the target markets. LinkedIn is particularly a strong area to advertise in, as many people in that age group, age 35 and above, will go to LinkedIn to post their resumes and etc. And if they see a post advertisement or a post link or banner scrolling across LinkedIn, then they may click on that to say, hey, I'm interested in furthering my education. So social media and Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn are excellent ways to advertise. We can also use Google Trends. We can use Google Trends to find all searches for the students in the age of 35 and older that were looking for online classes. Searching those results for students by clicking on post-university information. We can also take information from Google Trends to see how many people actually searched for post-university in general. After we gather that data, we can break that data down further to look at the trends to tell when the advertising started versus how it's been done over time. Also, using Google Trends, we can see how many people actually typed in a Google search for social media information for post-university, or LinkedIn customers that clicked the advertisement for post-university. We may even have to go through LinkedIn to get a few statistical records that LinkedIn does offer for that information. In conclusion, Post-University's marketing department should take this pandemic opportunity to focus on the 35 and above audience. The unemployment rate for ages 35 to 44 years was on the decline until the pandemic hit hard. The marketing department should also utilize current and past honors college students to assist with promoting the brand. These students are proud and would be a welcoming asset to any radio or television ads, as well as being the face of the marketing department for Post-University. Some of the references used are depicted on the references page.